Welcome to DIY Future Project. DIY is an Erasmus Plus funded project aiming at teaching young people DIY skills to increase the lifetime of products and sustainable consumption. In this unit, we will talk about ecological challenges by promoting sustainable resource management. It introduces the concept of resource optimization, emphasizing the efficient use of materials and energy to minimize waste, reduce environmental impacts, and cut costs. The modules also covers the product life cycle, examining the stages from raw material extraction to disposal or recycling. Life cycle analysis, LCA, helps identify areas for environmental improvement. The module fosters future literacy, enabling participants to anticipate and shape future scenarios while applying creative problem-solving and exploratory thinking for sustainable development. Through case studies and practical activities, learners engage with real-world applications of this concept. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.